High winds can wreak havoc on your home. But usually it's not just the wind you have to worry about, it's whatever the wind is slamming against your house. Windows, doors, siding, everything. But this house is located less than a mile from the coast, and the owner of this home decided to take some precautions by shielding his windows. Now I know what you're thinking. How could that little piece of fabric protect this window? These window covers are made from the same kind of fabric that's used in bulletproof vests, so they're supposed to stop flying debris in winds up to 155 miles an hour when they're secured to a frame like this. Now they're easy to install, they don't take up a lot of space, and that kind of simplicity is so important when you're preparing for a storm. I know from experience because I've had to board up my windows on more than one occasion because of an impending storm. I use plywood like many people in coastal areas. It's simple enough, but if you wait until the storm is closing in, you'll be in a long line at the home center. First, measure the window and cut a piece of plywood. 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch plywood works best, and you'll want to cut it about 1/2 inch smaller than both dimensions so that it'll fit into the opening very easily. Then you just fasten it to the wood trim around the windows with screws, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches long. This gets a little trickier if your windows are bordered by brick with no wood molding, but you can buy special spring-loaded metal clips that will hold the plywood, or you can add a little edge strip to the front and drill holes through it and attach the sheet directly to the bricks with masonry screws. The downside is that plywood is heavy and bulky to store.